Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out some tips about AUR and EA. So you have to open up the welcome app, and in the tips section, click on AUR and EA. So this will open up the discovery page, and in discovery page, you can read what is AUR, what is EA. EA is an AUR helper written in Go, and there will be a lot of information to start you up with, and later on you can search more advanced information regarding AUR and EA from other sources, and you can also interact with the advanced users in Endeavour or Arch communities and learn more about AUR and EA and what are the different possibilities, different packages available in AUR, and how to use EA to install those packages. So with this, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye.